In this journey called life, every once in a while, we might encounter a state which can best be described as being messy. A state where we feel stuck, helpless, and even hopeless. And that's precisely what I'm going to be talking about in this video, that is flowing on from my book, which is called Your Mess Has a Message. Hi, my name is Dr. Arun Dhir. I'm a surgeon, I'm a speaker, an author, and also an army officer. But today I'm going to be talking about this concept of adversity. See, human research proves that every individual is likely to go through on their life journey 3 to 4 major adversities and about 7 to 8 minor adversities. And each of these events has got the potential to change the trajectory of the individual's life, mostly for the worse. This is where I talk about this concept, which is called building conscious resilience. Resilience means the ability to bounce back to your original state where you fell down from. But more importantly is the word called conscious. When I say conscious, it is deliberate. It is something that you do by design. And just like you have a muscle in your body which you can exercise and you can build those muscles, similarly conscious resilience is a muscle, that's a mental muscle that can be built with knowledge and with practice. And that knowledge is what I talk about in my latest book called Your Mess Has a Message. See, when I went through my own personal journey of turbulence, of pain, of helplessness and hopelessness, it actually brought to realization the fact that what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And that is precisely I delve into. How do we unlock that inner strength? How do we unlock that guidance mechanism through practical, time-tested strategies that I provide you with the current evidence that modern medical science has to provide to us, not only in the state of your health and wellness, but how that affects your finances, how it affects your spiritual well-being, how it affects your relationships. So these are all interlinked things. But if I can give you this very quick brief summary of what the book is about, I talk about 4 key denominators of success that are found in multiple individuals that are interviewed in order to get this information into my book. Now, there are 4 key denominators of success were: number 1, every adversity brings with it a seed of equivalent and greater good. Every individual who actually arose from that messy state, that state where they were feeling stuck, had this realization in their heart, in their being, that this was the essence of it. Truth number 2 was that your potential is always greater than the problem that you have been served. We always underestimate ourselves, and that's what is called your potential. Third is, the world is full of infinite possibilities. Majority of us get stuck on one solution to the one problem that we are experiencing currently. Well, the universe can deliver an answer to you in multiple different ways. And the last and the most important denominator of success was that the answers lie inside of you. That's where you have to look, you have to listen, and when the answers appear, you have to trust. See, I can expand on these topics extensively, but that's precisely what I've done in this book. I have taken each facet of an individual's personality, starting with health, then moving on to things like relationships, financial health, spirituality, and I have broken down what are the key principles that can allow you to arise from an adversity or a mess that you may be experiencing in that particular area of your life. So, I hope you enjoy reading that book, and if you haven't got it, you can go to Amazon or you can go to my website drarundhir.com and grab a copy for yourself, where I'm running a special. Take care and thank you.